to get in effect. Feel the constant slamming of the bass line. Never mess around with the funk because I'm sticking, kicking, always finger licking. I don't need Halloween just to be trick or treating, cause I'm always on top. You make it work, the what's up?